Hey everyone, so outside shoveling on this winter's day. As you can see in my yard behind me, we got a lot of snow. And now I'm going to go inside and bake. There's my puppy, Timber. Say hi to everybody. So, I just shoveled, now I'm going to go inside. On the menu today, I'm going to do a simple sweet dessert, rice pudding. See you in a bit. See you inside. Okay, so here we go with rice pudding. In the bowl so far, I have eggs. To that, I'm going to add sugar, nutmeg, mix that in. Now to this, we're going to add milk. I'll have the exact measurements in the recipe below in the description of the video. Now I am doubling this recipe. At the request of my wife. Give that a whisk. Just like so. Now to this, we are going to add cooked and cooled rice. I'm adding a little bit at a time. Just like so. Mix it all together. And the last thing you want to add are raisins. Give that a stir. Mix it all together. Just like so. Then we're going to put this into a pan. Like so. And then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on top. Like so. Now this is going into a preheated 375-degree oven for anywhere between 45 minutes to an hour until you put a knife in the middle and it comes out clean. See you in a bit. Okay, so about 50 minutes later, this is what we have. Just like that. Okay, so here we go. So you can scoop some out as it's nice and warm. Like so. Put it in a bowl. If you have whipped cream, use whipped cream. Ice cream goes good with it as well. Till the next video, have fun.